Hello, we're back with another YouTube video. So, our neighbor and her dogs keep crapping on our lawn. This is our front lawn. Yeah, our dog doesn't even go in the front lawn. He goes in the back. I'm just tired of it. My mom's tired of it. We already yelled at her. She's not listening. So, we're just going to dump all this on her porch. Alright, my brother's going to hold the tablet. Don't do anything stupid, please. Just keep your face covered.
Okay, it might be shaking while I'm walking because we're walking.
Oh,
So,
crap. Flags down.
What?
Flags down. We're America here.
America.
Stuff stinks.
God,
He is not gonna like this.
you'll be like, what the are you freaking doing? Oh, she deserves it, folks. She freaking deserves it. It's gonna be hilarious. Here's the house right here. I'm gonna show you.
Alright, keep the camera down.
And I just showed the. Wait, want me to watch you? Oh. You might want to wash your hands.
Here. Alright. Well, I hope this is going to take care of our problems. Prove that I did it. Yeah, there's pile of crap. Neighbor's house. Yep. I'm just tired of it. So, we do that. Hopefully she knows not to keep her dogs over here. I'm sure there's going to be more times. Well, I don't know. If she's not there, she's going to come home and be like, what? Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.